Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by placing your artwork on a dedicated canvas layer so edits stay reversible. Once done, set the canvas color profile to sRGB and choose resolution that matches your output. This preserves hue accuracy. Create an adjustment layer titled Color Filter above the artwork so you can tweak strength without altering pixels. Now choose a neutral blending mode initially. This gives you a baseline. You're beginning the process itself instead of prepping endlessly. Make small, visible changes to see immediate color shifts. Now apply the color canvas filter on that adjustment layer and pick a base hue that supports your visual goal. Cooler tones calm, warmer tones energize. Once applied, tune strength in the 10% to 60% range so you don't wash out detail. Lower values subtly shift mood, higher values make a statement. Change blend mode, overlay or soft light for contrast, color for hue-only shifts, and use the layer mask to paint selective areas, making transitions natural. This staged approach keeps control and avoids clipping colors. Finish by toggling the filter layer on and off to verify the intended effect. Inspect at 100% to spot banding or clipped highlights. If needed, add a curves or hue/saturation adjustment beneath the filter to restore local contrast or rebalance tones. Once satisfied, flatten a copy for export and keep the layered file for edits. If things go wrong, lower the filter opacity, switch the blend mode to color to preserve luminance, and confirm the canvas uses the correct color profile. This fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.